Residential office zoned, PD direct frontage on Goliad in Rockwall, and a short distance from the Rockwall Historic Square. High traffic exposure. Large .40 acre lot. Previously leased as residential investment. Being sold as is. No repairs will be made by the seller. Open living room to the kitchen, 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, covered carport, and a fenced-in backyard area. Great commercial opportunity for any business. Being sold for land value. Buyers and buyers' agents to verify all information, zoning, etc. No survey. Part of an estate and was an investment property. Sold as is. No VA or FHA Prefer Cash or conventional. New survey.